No, it's too late, David. Too late.
Oh no, what's happening?
Here, show it.
Say hello.
Hey, look it.
Say hello. Here we go, David.
Take two. Would you like some ice cream? Would you like?
You scream, I scream, we all scream. For ice cream, yay, yay. Yeah, the blue.
He says, I'd like some of that.
What's that? Ooh.
I think it
Can
was
I
Dickie
have?
that gave Gregory ice cream.
He's looking at like, should I? Should I not?
He's just resting. There's going to be a storm here in a minute. You give me some or get out of the way.
He's in the handle grab. He's looking back at the plate.
I don't know if it's recording or not. Might have run out of room.
I guess video takes up a lot, eh?
Yeah.
Looking at you. That's a good cake and you're left at him.
Who's Gregory on?